Yo, what up, my beautiful people? It's Justin here bringing you a 10-minute chest and back circuit. This is 3 simple exercises used to develop a strong upper body where we're going to be doing push-ups, cable face pulls, and pull-ups to hit the chest, upper back, and lats. Let's get right on into it. So to kick this bad boy off, we're going to start with some push-ups. Biggest thing with our push-ups is we want to keep our spine nice and neutral, allowing us to really activate those chest muscles. We're going to be pushing through the elbows, and we're going to be trying to do this for about 10 to 15 reps for this first circuit. Next up, we're going into cable face pulls. For this exercise, I'm using the rope attachment with an under grip, going slow and controlled through this movement, hitting the rear delts, the traps, and the rhomboids. Pulling that rope to eye level, hitting that whole upper back. Next up, we got our overgrip pull-ups. This exercise is excellent for developing the back. We're going to want to go slow and controlled the best we can during our upward and downward phases of this movement. Starting off circuit number 2, we're going back into our push-ups. I love doing push-ups in an exercise regimen because it works more than one muscle group, hitting the chest, the triceps, the core, the hamstrings, and the front of the shoulders. Rotating back into our cable face pulls, I got a different angle for you for this clip. Again, you can really see that we're going to want to go to about eye level. That's going to make it so we can hit those traps real good, along with really round out those rear delts. For our second round of pull-ups, I decided to go with an undergrip. I really like the undergrip for pull-ups because it's also going to work the brachialis muscle, the biceps, the rhomboids, the lower trapezius, and the latissimus dorsi, getting a well-rounded movement for the back. Kicking off our third circuit, we're going to go back into the push-ups again. One reason I really like push-ups is because it's going to be an agonist and antagonist muscle movement, where we're going to be creating a movement in the chest while also an opposing muscle movement in the back. Providing a little different angle for our cable face pulls. I like this one a lot because we can really see how we want to keep that cable at eye level. Cable face pulls are very good because it's going to promote very good shoulder health, strengthening the external rotators of the shoulder and giving the shoulders that bowling ball-like appearance. Final exercise in this circuit is pull-ups. For this clip, I chose to just do undergrip pull-ups again because I liked how it was feeling on my back. The biggest thing is just to go slow and controlled all the way up and all the way down. Alright, yos, that's gonna do it for this workout today. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Jay Krebby, out.